Here I am with the C7 Corvette Z6. I'm super excited today to do a video with this. Big shout out to Jimmy for bringing out this car today. And this is the only LT4 car that I have not experienced yet. And this is the one LT4 car that I've been wanting to experience so far. So if you don't know what the LT4 is, that's a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 that GM makes. It's in the CTS V, Camaro ZL1, and the C7 Corvette Z6. The car is 3,400 pounds, so it's super light, lighter than the Shelby. Believe it or not, when I was looking to buy the Shelby GT350, I was looking at a ZL1, which I personally am glad I didn't get a ZL1 because I feel like the 350 fits me more. But the Z6 is the one car that really caught my eye, and I didn't find a deal on it before the 350. So I'm really excited to experience it. Let's hit the road and let's get into the action. All right, so let's go ahead and start it off. You just hit that door handle right here, which is electronic, which I love about the Vets. This actually has 6-point harnesses, which is not used for the street, but that's definitely a cool thing that I want to get in my 350 that I'll look into. Yeah, I turned on the auto blip, so that's something I really liked when I was driving the ZL1. Oh, and you have a really nice heads-up display too. Okay, so you have a short shifter. Yeah, it felt like it was really nice the way that it feels really notchy. So you don't mind, I'm gonna hit it a few downshifts. Man, that auto blip is on point. Yeah. That auto blip is really on point. Something wired in my brain is right now is cover the gas pedal to rev match downshift. That's something I'm doing right now. Man, that is nuts how it's able to do that. I'm imagining, is this like the CTS V where you hit it in a lower gear and it's gonna lose traction easily, or are the electronics more overtaking in this car?
No, right now it's full traction control's on, so you'll be okay. Okay. But you can turn the traction control to different sport modes, and you can break it loose fairly easy. Okay. If it's wet, this car is almost... It's
all over the place, isn't it?
It's difficult. Yeah. Okay. Unless you know how to control your throttle. Okay.
So you have to really be careful in the wet then.
In the wet, absolutely.
This thing is so stupidly fast. It's so stupidly fast.
It's probably like the GT500 maybe.
Yeah, it probably is. Yeah, this is more my thing, and I didn't think I was going that fast right there. Yeah, this thing picks up speed really, really quick. But that's something with the 350 is I feel like you feel the speed more. This car, I guess the suspension is, yeah, it's really good, this Magna Ride.
It was on sport. Okay. So it's a little stiffer. Not like, touring is like soft, it's comfortable. And then track is just meant to just stay on track. Okay. Yeah, that's the same with the 350. Track on street, I've tried it. It's really bumpy, so it's kind of gets scary. Right. We're gonna do a little 50 hit right here. No, I really like it. I feel like the ZL1's not for me. The GT350 I really like as a driver's car, but on track I can't even imagine. I feel like this thing is just, the capabilities of it are really just hard to even hit. And that's kind of the same with the 350, but this thing is just that to a whole nother extent. Right. Yeah, this thing's a monster on the track.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't even imagine what it feels like on track, because even on like a public road, yeah, I floored it a few times, but it's not something that you could really hit on the streets, you know? You can't, I feel like you can't, you have to be a savage to really push it to its full capability.
Yeah, you can't use this power on the street at all. You gotta just use it on the track. It's unusable. Yeah.
Well, that's awesome. I really appreciate it, Jimmy. No Big shout out to Jimmy. 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. I think this is the fastest car I've driven, given the power to weight ratio. The quickest will be the 911 Carrera S on the channel. But this thing is just, this is awesome. It's so awesome how race car it feels, how low you are to the ground. And it's just, yeah,
it feels like a race car, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's YouTube video. Let me know what you guys think of this Corvette Z06 down below in the comment section. I love my GT350. I love the Z06. And I think I do gotta say the conclusion would be they're two totally different cars. And it's this car is an absolute weapon for the track. It's very high horsepower. The GT350 is like high revving, more driver's car, and this is just kind of less driver's car, more like really good performance. I think a little bit less driver confidence that I have in this car than the 350, just because it's so high powered, but that's kind of what it is with all these like high powered cars like that. But I really appreciate it, Jimmy. Really amazing to experience this Z06. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.